Hello, my name is Todd Schaefer, Manager of Research for VectorVest. Today we want to talk about one of VectorVest's proprietary indicators, relative value. At VectorVest, we advocate that we buy safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. In our valuation analysis, we actually analyze value from two different perspectives. The first is the intrinsic value of the stock with the current time frame, but we also have a forward-looking indicator called relative value. It's an indicator of the long-term price appreciation potential of the stock. So RV looks at the future prospects for the company. It compares price and value, takes a stock's risk and earnings growth into account, and indicates the investment potential of a stock compared to a similar investment in a AAA corporate bond. It's cast on a scale of 0 to 2, so values of 1 are parity with that AAA corporate bond. Values in excess of 1 indicate the stock should outperform that AAA corporate bond in the next 1 to 3 year time frame. And of course, the higher the score, the closer we get to 2, the greater their potential to outperform. So earnings growth rate is the biggest driver of our RV analysis, but of course we're also considering the risk of the stock as well as the current AAA corporate bond rates. Our top RV stock on today's data was LNG. It had a down day on today's market, but if we look at the graph pattern, notice a strong price appreciation going on in the current time frame and that earnings pattern over the last year higher than we were 1 year ago and really accelerating into the current time frame. Looking at their data points, we see the current earnings growth rate at 46% annualized, and we see they have positive earnings at $10.56 currently and a yield of 6.26%. So growth investors favor these stocks with good upside potential. All of us can benefit by investing in companies that are profitable and whose real growth exceeds the combined rates of interest and inflation. So thanks everyone for watching. Would you please take a moment and leave feedback or a comment about the video you just watched? You can leave it in the section below. We really appreciate it and it helps us out. Thank you again for taking the time. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.